In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Semrush, a powerful tool for enhancing your digital marketing efforts, all within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in by opening your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other of your choice. Once your browser is up and running, type Semrush into the search bar and hit enter. The results should display the official Semrush page as a top result. Click on it, and you'll typically see an option labeled Try for Free or Start Your Free Trial. Select this option, and if you haven't done so already, sign up by entering your details or simply log in if you're a returning user. Once you're in, start organizing your SEO efforts by creating a project. This project will act as your command center, keeping all your SEO data and progress under one roof. To get a richer view of your website's performance, consider connecting your Google Analytics and Google Search Console accounts to your Semrush profile. This integration will enable you to collect and analyze more detailed data, giving a clearer picture of how your site is doing. With the foundation set, it's time to tap into the Keyword Magic tool. Drop in a seed keyword relevant to your niche, and the tool will provide you with a plethora of related keywords. As you explore, you can filter these results by search volume, keyword difficulty, and other useful metrics. This step will help you pinpoint the most promising keywords to target. Next, shift your focus to competitive analysis using the Organic Research tool. This valuable feature allows you to uncover the keywords your competitors are currently ranking for, opening doors for potential opportunities you might have missed. To complete your keyword strategies, organize them into topic clusters. By creating pillar pages and subpages around thematic sets of keywords, you'll be able to build topical authority and boost overall SEO. To refine your on-page SEO, utilize the Semrush On-Page SEO Checker. This tool evaluates your web pages, offering actionable recommendations for enhancing elements such as keyword usage, title tags, and meta descriptions. Also, improving your content quality is crucial, so use the Content AI to generate optimized articles based on your identified target keywords and topic clusters. This feature helps in scoring your content on readability, originality, and SEO best practices. Backlinks are another critical component of SEO. Semrush provides tools to identify and disavow toxic backlinks that may be hurting your SEO, as well as find new backlink opportunities by comparing your profile with competitors. Lastly, assess your competitors' website traffic to gain insights into their online presence. Semrush can show you important details like traffic sources, top-performing pages, audience demographics, and more. This analysis will give you a strategic edge in understanding the competitive landscape. Finally, don't forget to continuously monitor your keyword rankings and track progress over time to adapt your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing the potential of Semrush and driving your website's success. Happy optimizing!